My name's Cole Anderson, and I'm a student with Yavapai Community College out here in Chino Valley, Arizona. I'm with the Electrical Utility Technology program. Lineworker is a shorter name for it, and what we do is we work on high voltage electricity, anything from the substations to where it reaches the transformer at your house. The reason I joined this program is I saw it as a good way for me to go ahead and get the certifications I needed to get into the line work industry, and it's a great way to make connections and meet people. You start from the very beginning, so you don't have to have any electrical knowledge going into it. The instructor is amazing and really helpful, and safety's top priority. We do a lot of knot tying. That's a very important thing in line work, and you'll get to learn about electricity, and it's cool because you'll get to see something that you can't see with your eye, but you'll know it's there, and you'll get to learn how it works, and once you get into electricity, you'll just be amazed with it. I'm not one to be super afraid of heights, but I guess I am a little bit. And there's people that come into the program that have a real big fear of heights, but we work with them, and at this point everyone's pretty comfortable with climbing, and once you get used to it, you're always hooked in. You always got your primary or secondary going. It's comfortable and it's fun, and by the end of the program you'll know so much. There's no better feeling than being on top of a pole and getting to look at what's around you and check out your surroundings. No one else gets to do that every day. It's pretty awesome.